We're in the penthouse of a 10-unit hotel in the heart of Tulum. For just over $1 million, your hotel dreams can start here. Featuring a beautiful rooftop pool and lounge area, this apartment hotel for sale offers 10 units with 11 bedrooms, including one 2-bedroom lock-off, and all of them are fully equipped with kitchens, AC, and furniture. Additional highlights are solar panels, on-site laundry facilities, 2 bathrooms in the common areas for guest use, and a reception to welcome guests at their arrival. For more information on this beautiful apartment hotel for sale in Tulum, please contact us today.